Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a simple, tacky dough. Mix 300 g flour, 5 g salt, 6 g instant yeast, and about 180 ml lukewarm water. Combine until shaggy. The goal is hydration, not perfection. Once mixed, let it rest 10-15 minutes for auto-lyse so gluten begins forming. This makes wrapping easier. Meanwhile, strip bark and wipe the stick. Make sure it's dry and food-safe. When the dough has relaxed, pinch off a golf ball-sized piece. You're ready for the first wrap technique. Keep hands lightly flat. You form a rope roughly 20-25 cm long and wrap it around the stick with 2-3 even turns, overlapping slightly so the dough seals. Press the seam gently with your thumb. This prevents unraveling. Hold the stick over medium heat. Think glowing embers or low flames, not direct high flames. Rotate slowly and continuously so each section browns evenly. Once the outside is golden and springs back when touched, press to check doneness. You finish by holding the stick briefly near coals to develop a crisp crust. 2 to 3 minutes is usually enough. Then slide the bread off and let it cool on a rack for a minute so it firms. Test using a skewer through the center. You want no raw dough and a springy interior. If the center is undercooked, tent the bread with foil and return to embers for 3 to 5 minutes at lower heat. For burning issues, increase distance and use embers rather than open flame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.